Time to head out for a aftermath assessment. Structures seem to be okay. Doesn't look like I lost any shingles. Got something floating over by my fence. I'm not sure what that is. You can see how high the water already is receding from its peak. I'm gonna go see what this thing is. See how deep the water goes. It's halfway up my thigh, and this appears to be somebody's dock of some sort that I'm not sure where that came from. And I guess somebody will be out to retrieve this later. Either that or I got myself a dock now. I'm not sure. All in all, not as bad as it could have been. Doesn't seem like there's any major damage anywhere, so except that I can swim in my yard right now.